G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Not only today is Easter Saturday, I wanted to print something for my granddaughter so when she woke up tomorrow she knew that Easter Bunny had been and come. And one of the things we were looking at was a decorative egg, and I actually found these on Maker's World. It was actually all done by the same person and I'll put the link down below. Now the first one is this cute little bunny in an egg. Now we'll do more close-up videos at the end, but they're all done from the same. There is 5 of them. And the next one is the old saying, what come first, the chicken or the egg? Well, no one really knows because they both come at the same time. This little chicken here, he's a good little fella. Nice and cute. The next one is this rooster. Here we go here. Now, I do apologise, I actually printed out the eyes in this one red because the rooster had a big night out last night. So yeah, and the next one, which I think is a cute one, is a little lamb. He's a good little lamb. And lucky last is the bear. Absolutely fantastic little prints. I know she'll love these, and would be a huge surprise for her when she rocks up, or when she wakes up tomorrow morning after the Easter Bunny's been. Right, that's all from me. You all have a good Easter and hooroo.
Here you go, my granddaughter.